Hello, everyone. It's a pleasure to be with you today. My name is Abner Aveus. Today, we are going to talk about the mortgage interest rate for the month of June. For the month of June, that's what we are going to talk about. We have seen since June 6th the mortgage interest rate is continue to goes down. This is a very good thing. This is what we want. That means it costs less to borrow money to purchase your house. In June 6, the average, the 30-year fixed rate mortgage average was average 699. 699 was the average, but in June 27, the interest rate now goes down to 686. So when we look at it, we can say that there is a 13 basis point that down from what it was at the beginning of the month. So this is a very good thing when we can see a 13 basis point down in the mortgage interest rate. So on the Fed side, the government still thinks the economy is going well. The economy is in good shape. That means they are not really willing to do anything. They just want to keep things the way it is. They're watching to see if they're gonna go to recession. If they are not, they're gonna still keep the interest rate a little high in order to fight the inflation. But for us as a consumer, or for you as a consumer, it still costs you a lot of money to borrow money from other people to finance your project, to finance your activities. So what we can see, it looks like the mortgage interest rate will continue to go down over the next month. So what we have seen, I just want to tell you, when I talk about the interest rate, the interest rate is for a person, the interest rate I just presented you is for a person that has a good credit score and that put 20% down payment on their purchase. So the interest rate I just talked about is based on a person that has an excellent credit score, and then that person put 20% down as a down payment on the purchase. So we can see for if the rate goes down, we can see more home buyer who want to finance their purchase and come to the housing market. So there will be more people who are gonna need to buy houses that gonna take the step to home buying. But if the interest rate is stay high, it can be very difficult for home buyer to come to the housing market because they just want to watch. They cannot afford the housing at this rate. The housing price goes up at the same time. The interest rate goes up. So there are so many home buyers that cannot afford housing. If the rate goes down over the next month, we are going to see more home buyers want to finance their purchase and then come to the housing market. Thanks for watching. It was a pleasure to be